So, hello, dear students. I think all of you are preparing for the computer science Java exam. So, the last minute tips are just revise the key concepts like encapsulation, inheritance, and polymorphism. Okay, the important definitions is important because they will ask in exam. So, master the Java code. This means that you should know the knowledge of loops, conditions, and functions and their syntax. Else, you will be having problem in writing the code. So, and practice that common programs, number programs such as factorials, prime, Armstrong, and please dry run it before. So, the smart paper strategy comes in. First of all, in your question paper, you will be having two sections, A and B. First section, you will be attempting for 30 minutes, and section B will be 30 to 85 minutes. Means after completing section A, directly jump to 85 minutes, directly jump to section B. So the time split will be 5 minutes for understanding the question, 15 minutes for writing the code, 5 minutes on review and debugging the code. Okay. So the common mistakes you do before is that forgetting import package like import java.util.scanner. Sometimes many of the students make this common mistake by forgetting this package. Second mistake is that this is very silly mistake like missing brackets, semicolon, or using the wrong for loops, lie loop, do I loop, any loop. So this will hamper your performance. So the final tip is that stay calm, attempt easy questions first, and review it before submit. Thank you.